In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present PowerPoint in Teams. By the end, you'll be confidently sharing your slides in a Microsoft Teams meeting with a smooth, distraction-free experience. Start by opening your presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Having the file open and ready to go before you join your meeting makes the handoff to sharing much quicker. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct slide and that any animations or media are working as expected, so you won't need to troubleshoot mid-meeting. Next, join or start your meeting in Microsoft Teams. Once you're inside the meeting and ready to present, look for the Share button, which appears as an upward pointing arrow. Clicking this opens the sharing tray. You'll see several choices for what to share, but for a focused and professional presentation, choose the option labeled Window. This lets you share only the PowerPoint window, keeping the rest of your desktop private and avoiding accidental pop-ups or unrelated apps appearing on screen. After selecting Window, click on your PowerPoint window from the list of available thumbnails. You'll usually notice a subtle highlight or border indicating that this specific window is being shared. That's your visual confirmation that attendees will only see your slides and nothing else. Now switch back to PowerPoint. Go to the Slideshow tab along the top ribbon. Here you can start your presentation either from beginning if you want to start at slide 1, or from current slide if you're resuming partway through. Choose the option that fits your flow. PowerPoint will move into full screen slideshow mode, and your slides are now visible to all meeting participants through Teams. As you present, navigate through slides using your arrow keys, spacebar, or by clicking your mouse. If you need to reference a specific point, take your time and speak clearly, allowing animations or transitions to complete before you move on. Keeping PowerPoint active on your screen helps maintain a steady share. Avoid covering it with other windows so your audience receives a consistent view. If someone mentions they can't see your slides, double check that you selected the correct PowerPoint window in Teams. The window sharing option ensures you're sharing exactly what you intend without showing the rest of your desktop. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.